Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 12th to 26th. For November 12th to 16th, we still have below normal heights across much of the Arctic, much of Canada, down into the western U.S. And we have a ridge here over the western Atlantic with above normal heights in the east. So we go through the period, and you come to the 16th, and the pattern kind of flattens out, but does so in the next period. We still have above normal heights here west of the Aleutians, and like I said, we have this broad area of high pressure, strong high pressure over the western Atlantic. The northwest will remain active and unsettled. Let me see if I can get the right map. Okay, we'll be unsettled during this period as northern and southern stream energy traverses the region, and the western trough will result in below normal temperatures for much of the interior west through Thursday. And then we're expecting a prolonged period of unsettled weather and heavy snow across this region, across the northwest into the northern Rockies. We'll take a look at the snowfall amounts. Where is the snowfall amounts? Okay, here's the snowfall amounts. And see, it starts out light, but then as we go through the period, as we go through the period, you can see we have amounts here of 11 inches, over a foot of snow here in parts of the region. This is a 6-hour period. And this is the GFS for the period. This is the European deterministics. European ensembles are very bullish on the snowfall amounts. And then this is a high resolution European model. So we're expecting heavy snow for portions of the Cascades, Sierra Nevadas, and the northern portion of the Rockies. And low elevation rain is likely, especially in the northwest. And then there is a potential for atmospheric river to take aim at the region, and we'll take a look at that at this satellite picture. Let me see if I got it. I have so many things open here, I don't know. Did I close it? Oh, I have it on the map. Okay, that's right. Here's what I'm talking about. Here's the atmospheric river here, originating from near Hawaii, and kind of like the Pineapple Express, you could call it, and then takes aim at the northwest. This map doesn't animate, but I just want to show you what I'm talking about. Those bring a lot of precipitation into the northwest, which really needs the rain. And then concerning Eta, let me see. Okay, here's the latest position as of 4 p.m. It is 12.9 north, 129. Oh wait, that's the wrong store. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, here's Eta as of 4 p.m. 23.7 north, 84.8 west. Movement is towards the southwest at 16, and max winds are 50 miles per hour. Now we have several areas to be watching concerning the tropics, and let me get to that. This is 5-day. We have a system here that's coming better organized. The National Hurricane Center gives it an 80% chance over the next 5 days of development, and that should be moving away over the far Atlantic. And we also have this other disturbance, which has a 50% chance. And this is an area that could develop here. So this is the hurricane season and just won't quit. So we have a couple of areas here to watch. And then about Eta. Eta is forecast. Let me see if I get the right map. Okay, Eta is forecast to be over the eastern Gulf of Mexico, and then gradually take aim at Louisiana again. But does it be that strong? This is the Europe. This is the GFS. We'll take out the European. You back up a little bit. All right, we'll compare the runs, the GFS, the European, a little bit further to the north, and the high resolution is like the like it's deterministics, and then we go forward in time. All the storms has it coming into Louisiana at some point, so you have to watch that. And we're expecting heavy rainfall and tropical storm force winds for portions of Florida. And regardless, tropical moisture will interact with a frontal boundary and cause heavy rain across southern mid-Atlantic, southeast through the end of the work week. And we'll take a look at that. We go to another map. Here's the moisture interacting with a frontal boundary. It will be causing heavy rain here. This is the European. Various models. This is the GFS, the European, and we have the other models shown. So this is where the axis of the heavy rain will be falling. Okay, we're going to look now at the period for November 12th to 21st. I might run out of time, so I'm going to try. This is for the 17th to the 21st. And the flows forecasts become more zonal as we go through the period, but we still have below normal heights across the Arctic down into the west. Here's our ridge over the Western Atlantic and the southeast. Zonal flow above normal heights here. So pretty much the models are in agreement. However, look at the European has a trough in the east. Now this could happen as we get, we have a ridge out here and a ridge back over the North Atlantic. They have to merge, which shows here. This will bring a trough here. Now this can happen as the MJO goes into phase one. This will bring cooler air. The cold air is trying to move east, but the fact is, will it go? Will we have a model correction as we go through the next couple days? But this could happen, and some of the ensemble members have the trough more to the east, like over the northern Great Lakes and parts of the Midwest. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. The highest anomalies would be in the southwest. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is 40%. Then we have below normal precipitation for much of this area. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now we're going to go to the last period. This is for November 22nd to 26th. And the models don't really change much compared to the previous period. And also, you can see the European ensemble has a fairly strong trough building in here as this ridge comes closer to Greenland over the North Atlantic. This will be as the like I said, as the MGO goes into phase two. Okay, so for this forecast, okay, I want to show you something else. For this forecast period, I am forecasting still above normal temperatures for much of the nation. We have to see if that that phase two happens, or we have a model correction in the next couple of days. But I'm forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the country, and I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. Some areas could be as high as 12 in the north and the southwest. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation here and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Now I want you to take a look at this video that was sent in. This is as Ada caused flooding across Florida. We'll take a look at this. Look at this, taking water and throwing it in. I think that's a lost cause. Going to just probably come back in. We'll take a little bit more. Look at that, the cars coming through. This is really something. Look at these cars being flooding, going through the flooded streets. This is in South Florida. Okay, that's it for now. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for November 12th to 26th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.